Welcome to your home with Alicia Smith, presented by F&S Building Innovations.
Today let's talk about master bedroom suite additions. Lots of times people are trying to decide, do we build, do we sell, do we buy a new house? As you raise your kids and they get larger, sometimes the house starts to get smaller. A good way to combat that is with a master bedroom suite addition. Add a great master bedroom with a great bathroom, a nice closet. You've got your getaway when those kids bring all their friends home. Every great master bedroom suite needs a really great bathroom. So this bathroom has your great walk-in shower. It's got all the bells and whistles with the rain head, the body sprayers, the regular shower head. This custom 10-foot piece of glass is wide open. You don't have a door, but there's plenty of room in there. If you want to really unwind from your day, soaking tub in front of a massive window, enjoy the sunsets, just rinse the whole day away. Every great master bedroom suite needs a fabulous closet. Let's check this out. Ladies, how many times have you told your husband you need a bigger closet? You need space for all the things, all the shoes, all the purses, all the clothes. Well, if that's you, this is a great way to do that. Get custom closet shelving that can give you a way to display all your things. You can see everything, you're not digging through closets, through drawers. This is the closet you want. A really great feature of this closet that is fun and functional is having your laundry in the closet. It doesn't have to take up a lot of space if you get a stacked unit like this, but it's really convenient not to have to go all the way across the house to another laundry room, throw your clothes in, throw them out when you're done. It's really easy.